Kia ora!
This is Te Reo Te Tari 101. Morena. How do you pronounce morena?
Well, I know the more and the ena, but I know some people find it hard to pronounce the R. So how do we do that?
Ngahiwi?
Yeah, well, there are people who say it's a D sound, right? But it actually isn't. It's more of a. Some people get Scottish on it and go. Rrr, but it actually isn't. It's kind of one.
That's too much.
Bit of a morena I te iwi, a bit too much.
Is it more of a quick?
Yeah, it's a quick one. It's not the r. It's more a r.
Oh.
Ko tahi te re.
Ko tahi te. So only one r e te iwi, not 15 r.
Right. So it'd be morena.
Yes, paki mai e te iwi. Morena. Rahina, Monday, everyone's favourite day of the week. How do you say
Not
it?
everyone. But anyway, I've noticed that you kind of extended the R. Now,
Yes.
what's happening on that R?
Oh, there's a bit of a portai on it, eh?
Yeah, well, you know, there are two types of vowels in Māori, right? There's the short vowel, a, and in all Polynesian languages actually. And then there's the long vowel with the macron over the top of it.
Right.
That's the a, and that's what makes this rahina, as in Monday, the ra.
Ah.
Tohu tō, now, And if there's no macron, it'll sound like rahina.
Rahina, right? Which could be rahina in Tūhoe.
Oh, yes,
really?
drop that Chico. Yeah. Rahina. One more time again. Rahina.